Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi friends! So once again, welcome to another Koizumi baking series. So if you have any suggestions, just leave us a message or comment and we will try to recreate it for you. So today we will be doing red velvet cake using Koizumi multi-cooker. Tara! So for our red velvet cake, I have here cake flour, white sugar, cacao powder, baking soda, salt, vinegar, egg 1 piece, food color, butter, milk, vanilla extract, olive oil. So for the frosting naman, we have powdered sugar, cream cheese, and of course, butter. So first, mix natin lahat ng wet ingredients. Egg, butter, milk, vinegar, food color, olive oil, vanilla extract, then mix lang natin. And then next, dry ingredients, cake flour, white sugar, cacao powder, salt, baking soda. So mix lang natin. Then after that, mix lang natin yung dry sa wet ingredients natin. So after natin ma-mix, transfer na natin sa multi-cooker natin. So by the way guys, Koizumi multi-cooker is very compact, very easy to use with 2.5 liters capacity. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. Just press rice and start. So habang niluluto natin yung cake natin, let's proceed to our frosting. Mix natin yung cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar. Then transfer lang natin siya. So after 35 minutes, let's check our cake. Yeah, so okay na siya. We have to cool it down lang. So now let's plate our dish. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So this is it, our red velvet cake.